Namaste children. Dosage of compensation of bad body is going to be discussed today. In 1949, the Baer and Bertrand observed the condensed body in the nerve cells of female cat. Can you understand? This scientists Baer and Bertrand in 1949, they observed the condensed body in the nerve cell in the female cat. But the same the condensed body was absent in male cat. For now, the sex chromatin is referred the sex chromatin is referred as Baer body. The sex, which is the condensed body, is otherwise called sex chromatin. This is referred later as Baer body. The condensed body, which is present in a nerve cell of the female cat, is considered as it is called a sex chromatin. This sex chromatin is referred later as Baer body. What is Baer body? Baer body is nothing but sex chromatin. This is nothing but the condensed body in nerve cell. Okay. Here in XY system, the female has 2 X chromosome, male has only 1 X chromosome. Here there is one question arises. How does the organism compensate this dosage difference between the sexes? The one has 2X, the female has 2X chromosome, male has only 1X. How the organism compensate this dosage of difference between the sexes? The question arises. Then, that accomplish this the dosage difference between the sexes is accomplished by inactivation of 1 X chromosome in female. Female has 2. So now 1 has to be reduced to compensate the Y with 1 X. So here that is accomplished by inactivation of 1 X chromosome in female. If now you relieve or inactivate 1 X, what would happen? Now the female has only 1 functional X. So now both male and female have only 1 functional X chromosome per cell. Can you understand? Here male has 2 X chromosome, female has 2 X chromosomes, male has only 1 X. So there was the question how the difference be compensated. So now that is accomplished by the between the 2 X of female chromosome, 1 X is inactivated. Now there is only 1 X in female. Male also only 1 X. Now these both male and female have only 1 functional X chromosome in each cell. Then later the Mary Lyon, she considered that she suggested Baer body represented an inactive chromosome, which in female become tightly coiled. Then it is the Baer body become in the inactive chromosome. The Baer body is here, that is sex chromatin. The same here also, that is inactive chromosome, in which they become the female, that is the inactive chromosome become tightly coiled. So you can see here, you see there is 2 X chromosomes are there, no? This is centromere, this is 2 chromosomes are there, this is 1 X, this is 1 X. Now this one become inactive and it becomes the heterochromatin. There is become coiled, tightly coiled. Now only 1 chromosome only is inactivated and it becomes heterochromatin. That is, it is tightly coiled. Thus this is called what? Then this tightly coiled inactive chromosome into heterochromatin. She suggested this inactive chromosome becomes the heterochromatin, that is tightly coiled heterochromatin. What is heterochromatin? Heterochromatin is condensed and visible form of chromatin. What is heterochromatin? Heterochromatin is the condensed and visible form of chromatin. Okay, the number of Baer body is observed in the cell was 1 less than the number of X chromosome. Whatever the number, 1 less X. That is the number of Baer body observed in the cell was 1 less than the number of X chromosome. For example, you see here the XO. the XO female, no bare body. Why? Only one is there. So here there is no bare body. And same the XXY male, it is one bare body. One you remove, there is one bare body is there. Can you understand? So that is very simple topic, but when you read the book, it seems very complicated. So that is dosage, there is the compensation. Which is compensated here? The dosage difference between the sexes is compensated. How is it compensated? Between the two X chromosome, one X chromosome is inactivated. Here it is said by this Bauern-Bataille. What is called the bare body? Bare body is nothing but the sex chromatin. It is present, it is a condensed body nerve cell. It was first observed in female cat, but it was absent in male cat. Then this is accomplished by the inactivation of one X chromosome in female. So both male and female have only one functional X chromosome. The Mary Lyon suggested the bare body represented an inactive chromosome, that is inactive chromosome, which in the female become tightly coiled and become into heterochromatin. This is called Lyon's hypothesis. This the bare body represented an inactive chromosome which in the female become tightly coiled into heterochromatin. This is called what? Lyon hypothesis. This is two more question. What is the Lyon hypothesis are defined and Lyon hypothesis? Then this heterochromatin is nothing but that condensed and the visible form of visible form of chromatin. The number of bare body observed in the cell was 1 less than the number of chromosome. Whatever it may be, here there is XO female, no bare body. Here there is no chance of inactivation. Only one X is there, so there is no chance of inactivation. But if there is XXY male, the one X to be inactivated. So there is one bare body is there, but here there is no bare body. Could you reach me today? I hope you have understood what I taught. Okay, my dear children, thank you. We'll meet in the next class with the haplodiploid in honeybee determination. Okay.